Hey online entrepreneurs and future business titans, welcome back to Domain Central. Before we dive into today's game-changing strategies, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, share this video with anyone who needs to see it, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next powerful insights. And trust me, you'll want to watch this entire video. We're uncovering secrets that could transform your business. So, you've heard of sales funnels, right? They're not just a marketing buzzword, they're the strategic pathway your potential customers take from first hearing about you to becoming a loyal buyer. And at the very entrance of that funnel, often sits your domain name. Your domain isn't just an address, it's your digital storefront, your brand identity, and a crucial first impression. But how does it play with sales funnels? Think of your domain as the welcoming mat to your sales funnel. A well-chosen, memorable domain name immediately builds trust and credibility. It makes it easy for people to find you, remember you, and share your unique offers. Here's how online entrepreneurs specifically benefit. A professional domain like yourbrandname.com instantly elevates your perceived authority compared to a generic platform URL. This trust is vital for moving prospects through your funnel. You can use subdomains or custom paths for different stages or products within your funnel like freebie.yourdomain.com, webinar.yourdomain.com, or product.yourdomain.com. This creates a clear, consistent, and professional journey for your customers, keeping them focused on the next step. Having your own domain helps with search engine optimization. When your funnel pages live on your domain, they build authority for your main brand, driving more organic traffic into the top of your funnel. Owning your domain means you own your digital real estate. You have full control over your data, your branding, and your customer experience, which is paramount for long-term growth and optimization. Now let's talk about the game changer, artificial intelligence. AI isn't just for big corporations. It's a powerful ally for online entrepreneurs looking to skyrocket their sales funnel performance. Here's how AI technology transforms your funnel. AI analyzes user behavior, preferences, and demographics to deliver personalized content, offers, and follow-ups. Imagine a sales funnel that adapts to each individual, showing them exactly what they need to see when they need to see it. This dramatically boosts conversion rates. AI-powered tools can score leads, identify the hottest prospects, and even automate personalized email sequences or chatbot interactions. This means less manual work for you and a more efficient funnel that guides leads towards a sale 24/7. AI can predict which leads are most likely to convert, identify bottlenecks in your funnel, and even suggest A/B testing variations. It provides real-time insights, allowing you to optimize your funnel continuously for maximum results without constant guesswork. AI can assist in generating compelling ad copy, landing page headlines, and even video scripts, saving you time and ensuring your messaging is highly effective. It can also optimize your ad spend by identifying the best performing campaigns and audiences. By strategically integrating strong domain names with intelligent sales funnel strategies and leveraging the immense power of AI, online entrepreneurs can build a highly efficient, automated, and personalized sales machine. This isn't just about making more sales, it's about building a sustainable, scalable business that works smarter, not harder. So, start thinking about your domain name as a gateway, and AI as your ultimate sales assistant. The future of online entrepreneurship is here, and it's powered by these incredible tools. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it on all your social media accounts, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to Domain Central for more insights just like this. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video from Domain Central.